Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. I just woke up, so I look hit, but I'm just gonna keep on going with this video. So um today's video is gonna be how to get your budgies to breed or mate instantly, fast, whatever you guys want to call it. And somebody requested this video. I think 2 or 3 people asked for this video, but yeah, I'm doing it now. So I should do a 2 video in 1 though. Moving along. So how to get your budgies to breed instantly or fast, whatever you want to call it. First off, you want to have these things in mind, because if you don't, it's not gonna work. For one, your budgies have to be a compatible pair, meaning they have to like each other. If you just got 2 budgies from the pet store recently and you don't know if they were a pair or not, or if they like each other, good luck, Charlie, because you're gonna have to wait until they like each other. I see budgies like a jar of pickles. When you make pickles, they don't taste like pickles. You gotta wait until a month before they get their mojo, you know? So that's the same thing what you gotta do with budgies. They're little pickles. You gotta let them sit and soak. So yeah, the way you tell the budgie pair is compatible is the male will feed the female. And the male will preen the female, and the female should preen the male. It's okay if you don't see the female preening the male, but if the male lets the female preen her, then the female has to be a little interested for her to let the male even get that close to her. So yeah. Also, you might see a lot of beak pecking. But before we get there, you have to have had the nest box in the cage, and the female have to have already been trying to at least look inside the nest box.
Heard you just was looking for me. Here I go. I heard you just was looking for me.
If you have a compatible pair and you have a nest box in the cage and they court constantly, they like noise. Alright, so have those things in mind. Alright, now to start to get them to breeding. As you guys saw how they stopped chirping when I stopped talking, but now they're starting to start back up again, and that's because budgies like noise. Any type of noise that you guys have, like a TV, a speaker, play music, play it at a good volume so that they can hear and they can feel comfortable, because budgies do not like being in quiet environments, because I guess they don't feel like they're part of a flock or whatever, because birds are naturally loud, enthusiastic animals. So if you have any type of music, my budgies absolutely love music. So if you play music, the male is going to feel comfortable enough to court the female, and they're going to get their mojo going, and then they might start mating. So yeah, play music, any type of music. Also, having your lights on a long periodically time is a good thing, because they feel like it's summer and it's breeding season. So have your lights on for a long time. But when they start to court and when they start to almost breed, turn your lights off immediately and then wait like 2 to 3 more hours. Turn it back on and then they'll try it again. That's how you can that's how you can let them practice if they're first time. You guys, I'm starting to get congested, so leave it alone. I don't know what this is. I don't have a code anymore, so I don't know. All right, so turning the lights on and off, like each session a day can help them if they're a first time pair, because they can learn how to mate, because sometimes they like to fall off, and so it's only like a certain period of time before the female lays an egg, because if she doesn't mate successfully, she's still gonna lay that egg because the male got on top of her and she thought that the egg was gonna come out fertile, so she's producing an egg by herself without the male even fertilizing it. So yeah, if you do those sessions, that's gonna get them trained better, and the female is gonna balance more so that the male can get on her and not fall off. I work, so I haven't had time to really do that with my brand new pair, because I think this is their first ever time having eggs. So he wasn't doing so good because I'm always at work and I have to go to work in the next hour or so. So hope I can edit this video and upload it today. So yeah. Oh, when you turn the lights off, make sure it's completely dark. Put a cover over them. Don't just turn the lights off because there might be like some type of daylight coming in. You want to completely cover them with like a cover, a blanket, something so that they can't see light. So when you take it back off, they think it's a new day, and it's a new day to start fresh and to mate again. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope it really helped you guys. Those are my tips that I use, and yeah. See you guys next time. I don't know what to say anymore. This is so fresh to me. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't think I said that. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, so I really did not want to talk, but I just woke them up and just turned on the lights. I have a little bit of my TV playing in the background, a little loud, but I muted the volume so that you can guys hear me talk. So you guys can hear me talk, but they are just now waking up and they're getting into their little mojo, and this is when the magic happens. As soon as you wake them up, you see she's scratching her wings out because you know that she about to, pop that wing back. But I'm gonna let you guys watch this and see what happens. I might put on some music in the background so I don't get copyrighted. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that they are brand new. So I do this when I'm home often because it's practice that makes perfect because they're a new couple. So when she gives him the okay to mount her, he doesn't really take the chance. So he doesn't really know what to do, but he knows what to do. So I keep practicing that, and that's how I get my new pairs to be like very good breeders. And then the next time they know exactly what to do. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll let you finish watching this. They're not gonna do anything, but yeah,